To make the best quesadillas, start by making your own flour tortillas. To make your tortillas, you're going to bring together 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of canola oil, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/3 teaspoon of sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Once your dough starts to form, you can throw it onto a work surface and just start kneading it until the dough isn't as sticky anymore. Next, you're going to cut up your dough. Since I'm making quesadillas for this recipe, I'm going to cut the dough into bigger pieces of dough balls. If you were making tacos, you could do smaller pieces. So I'm just going to cut this into 4 pieces and then weigh them out. Alright, so they're all about 145 grams a piece. And then next you're going to just cover these up and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Next we're going to roll out the dough, and since we're making quesadillas, we're going to roll these out to no more than 10 inches. Next, we're just going to toss these onto a skillet and cook for about 1 minute on each side. Next, you're gonna grate your cheese. For these quesadillas, I'm gonna use a mild cheddar, but you can mix it up with mild cheddar, Monterey Jack, or provolone, but I'm just going with cheddar today. And then if you don't have a box grater, I highly suggest you get one. I think I got this one on Amazon. Next, you're going to heat up some canola oil in a skillet. And while we're waiting for that to heat up, we're going to assemble our quesadillas. So you're going to take one of your tortillas and layer half of it with your cheese. Fold it in half. Lay your tortilla down, and since it's unevenly shaped, you need to press it down for a little bit. That way it'll cook better. So I'm only going to do this for a couple of seconds so we don't burn ourselves. I'm just going to keep this down using a pan. And we're going to cook on each side for about 90 seconds.